guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can keyframe effects on CapCut PC. Right click, copy, and right click paste on your video, and on that second video you're going to add in the effect you want to add. For instance, I'm going to add in this motion blur effect on top of this video, and I'm just going to select both of them, right click, create compound clip to blend that in. Okay, once you're done, you are going to go to adjustments as well, and you're going to turn the brightness down a little bit to like maybe 5%. Then go back to video and add in a keyframe on opacity. Then to fade in the, fade out, I'm just going to fade out the effect first. So I'm just going to put the opacity at 100, and then like here I'm going to put the opacity to 0. And then here I'm going to add another keyframe at 0, and at the end I'm going to turn it to 100 to add in the effect again. And this is what it should look like at the end. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!